I'm in the Ferrari of the American car. See right here? Yeah. Super sport, guys. Super sport.
So yeah, man, I really don't know how to start out this video. I'm gonna tell you guys that this is probably my 10th time starting this video over, trying to figure out how to start, how to say this. All right, so as you guys can see by the title, my channel is monetized, and that is a very, 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 very big milestone on this channel, man. That initial climb to meet the requirements to get monetized, I felt that like that took forever, man. I was just refreshing the page like every day, sometimes like 5 times an hour, you know, things like that, just watching the progress. And I'm just like, man, you guys who were there with me, like especially just from even before I had like 100 subscribers, you guys, I really want to just say thank you guys, because you know, you guys didn't have to watch my channel, you know, you guys could have watched any other YouTuber. Wow, this is just crazy. This is crazy. Your boy is monetized, man. Damn. That's crazy. Oh, man. I don't know how to handle this, man. This is, I don't know, maybe it's just too much excitement. Some people may not see this as much, but just one of you guys, you know, taking your time out to watch my videos, man, even if it's for like just a few minutes, even if you don't watch the whole video, any little piece of your time you take to watch my videos, man, that is a lot to you know, a lot more than I can even ask for, man. And I really appreciate it. This is going to allow me to make a lot better content, you know, because you guys know I'm going to be investing the money back into the channel, you know, go up from there. Also, I wanted to ask you guys about the quality of my videos so far. You know, I know, you know, I mostly improve them over time, but recently I've been experiencing recently I've been experimenting with this thing called color grading, and it's where, you know, it kind of like changes like the shade of the original image of the video, things like that. Basically what I want to know is, what do you guys think of the color grade? Like, do you think it's too much? Do you rather it just flat? So let me put like, I guess, let me see if I can put like 2 images on the screen or 2 video clips, and tell me which one you like. Like, you know, is better with the color grade or without? That is a very important thing for me to know, because I need to know if I should continue doing it, maybe get better at it, or just leave the video like plain and flat like this. Yeah, let me know, guys. Your feedback and your support is what's growing this channel, so I need to know from you guys watching, man. But that's it for this video. I just wanted to make this real quick, man. And yeah, let's see if we can make 2 videos in one day, man.
I'm in the Ferrari of the American car. See right here? Yeah. Super sport, guys. Super sport. my bike.